Hi, my name is Gregory Mark. Sometimes we have the error message on the milling unit that we have to change the step bore or another bores probably in the milling unit, and we changed just recently. Okay, and it's constantly you have to change the bores every 2 and 3 restorations. So sometimes the problem is not with the bore itself, but with the unit. So if you can see on the side of the motor, there's a special button right here. I'm going to make it closer, and you can see it should be released in the released mode, and you can see the position of it. Okay, so most people neglect it, in myself I had no idea till recently that this part has to be lubricated, make sure it's released on both sides. Okay, because when it's not, if it's going to be stuck inside that channel, you can see the white debris, it will stuck and hold this bottom into not releasing position. And when this motor, okay, touches this button, okay, it will give the error if it's not released. So make sure it's what you do is you're using Dentatec liquid. Put in a Q-tip, okay, and try to lubricate so it will release this white debris, okay, and use it. Make sure it's every week you lubricate and make sure it's smooth, okay, on both sides. Another reason probably it might give you error, if you can see on this screen, you see this rubber piece behind the motor, okay. What you have to do is to make sure that you lubricate this every week with the same liquid. And when you do, I want you to check also on the bubbles. So if you put a little bit oil, okay, and you put a little bit, I would say, on a cleaning mode, you will see sometimes there's bubbles coming out through this rubber piece. So if it does, okay, it means your motor start probably getting worse. Sometimes people just leave it as is and still continue working, but in the future, if you see these holes, okay, it means the motor will probably go down soon. Also, it's these bubbles coming out because the rubber piece became dry. So putting the oil make it, that's the service of the motor probably longer. So make sure it's kept again these key elements lubricated, and you will see that the motor is going to last you almost longer than you expected. Thank you.